Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're about to start another project, and we're at my mom's house again. We have done a couple of projects here, but the one that y'all saw was the back patio. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out. So today we are doing a kitchen renovation. I'll put in some clips real quick so y'all can see what the kitchen looked like when we started. So this is what we started with. My mom's house was built in 1975, so you can see the old laminate countertops and cabinets, and there's a lot of damage on the cabinet doors and on the countertops. Because of this, we decided to go with a friend of ours that resurfaces countertops professionally. What he uses is a high volume, low pressure sprayer, which ensures that the paint will spray evenly onto the countertops. So that is how we got this look right here. Yes, it turned out absolutely perfect. So it is a black with specks in it. And they do have kits that you can purchase at Lowe's if you want to do this yourself, but we just wanted to make sure that we got a nice even coat, so we decided to go with his services. Additionally, you'll see that we took out that green sink that was in there, and then we replaced it with this nice stainless steel one. All right, so what we did so far was we got the countertops done. These are the countertops now. I can see they look much better. Oh yeah, we put in a new sink. But today we're going to be tackling these cabinets. This is a quick update. I know I look different because we've been here all day. So far actually all we did was take off the doors and we primed the boxes and some of the drawer fronts. But while we're here all day is because underneath her sink there, this whole bottom was rotten. So we had to take out the whole thing and put some fresh wood in there. So we have done that. Yeah. And now we have primed the boxes, as you can see. And tomorrow we're going to paint. So yeah, it already looks much better. Even though we still have a long way to go, it just already looks much better than the brown doors that were there. So we're getting there. Hey guys, so we're back for day 2 at my mom's house for her kitchen reno. We are about to begin painting. The only thing that Antonio did when we came in this morning was take the range hood down, because we have a new range hood to put up. And we went to a local tile company here, a tile store here in Jacksonville called Floor and Decor, and we picked up these really pretty marble tile, and I think they're gonna look real good. So this is what we're gonna do her backsplash with. So just up against that countertop, it looks real good. So I don't know if y'all can tell, but there's some gray in it. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to do the cabinets white. We're going to do the wall. It's a very, very light gray. And then we did the countertops dark. And then we have this backsplash. So it's all going to look very nice. Don't you think? my mom's house. We are here to finish up her kitchen renovation today. So right now we are going to be doing her backsplash. We really don't have that much area to do, just under here and over there. And then we're gonna put some cabinet doors on and we're gonna be almost done. If y'all are wondering what we did to my mom's cabinets, make sure to go watch my previous video where I show you how to turn your outdated cabinets into nice shaker style cabinets. And for the last step, we put new handles on those cabinet doors. Now, before the final reveal, here's a look back at what we started with. Mom?
What?
How do you feel about your kitchen?
Yeah, I absolutely love it.
Love it.
Yes, y'all did an amazing job.
Yeah.
That's your thing?